Hey guys, so today, this is a bit loud I think, alright, so today we are going to be playing Fortnite. You might be thinking, you're just going to play Fortnite again, what could you possibly be doing? Well, if you were smart enough to read the title, you would know we are doing the Charged Shotgun Challenge only. Oh! Stop. I know what you're already thinking, but you suck at the charged shotgun. Why even try? Well, cause I have nothing else to do, and I have no ideas for any YouTube videos but this. I might have done this before, I'm not sure, but I've tried doing this video before, and I died so much, I just gave up. I just gave up. If you hear my keyboard, I am very sorry. This mic kind of picks up everything around it, even though it says, we will only pick up your sound from the front of the microphone. My keyboard is on the back of the microphone. You still hear that thing, right? Alright, oh my god. Okay, a little pistol. Tack. What? Oh, my hair is in a weird position. Let's see where we want to land to go to our death. Why not go to salty? Let's go sweaty. It's back. We can use it. Might even do another video today. Sweaty Sands challenge. Sweaty Sands loot only. My Pleasant Park loot only challenge did so well. Got 54 views and 2 likes. I don't even know if the people who watched my video even liked it, but it got 54 views. That's all that matters. But does anyone want to come and explain to me why that basketball hoop is so ginormous? Alright, we're just gonna land over here. Okay, gonna try shotgun. Okay, that's attack. I got a shield potion. Give me this. Okay, more shotgun ammo, but no charged shotgun. Okay, there's some minis over there. If I don't want to go grab those after we get this chest. Okay, a purple pistol. Oh my god. Yet, still no charged shotgun. I swear, every time I'm not trying to find a charged shotgun, that thing is just everywhere. There's a tack over there. I'm gonna go take the ammo. Oh yeah, I forgot. We gotta. Oh, if I have full shields and health and stuff, maybe I have a better chance of living against other people that did not land in sweaty. Oh shoot, there's a guy right there. There's another one. Okay, give me these bandies. This bucket. Okay, give me these fruits. Okay. Oh shoot, I don't need these. Why do I need these? Run. Oh my god, open this door. How do I get up here? The stairs. Okay, there's a chest. Oh my god, it's a sniper. Let's just unping all of these. Do I want to be petty? No, let's just break these barrels so no one else can get them. Even though I don't need them. And I might need them later on. But I'm too petty to care. Okay. Oh my god. Help me. Oh my god, it's another shotgun. Oh my god. Are you gonna explode? Okay, well I don't care. I'm not hitting you again. That door is opened. Maybe someone left a charged shotgun. No. There's nothing here. Oh my god. Just gotta go check out some looted places. Okay, you know, maybe someone just left a charged shotgun laying out somewhere. And oh my god, this guy really cleaned out these places. Get the top though? I think there's a chest in here. I'm not sure. Okay, well there's no loot in there. Well, I have mats, so maybe I can protect myself and try to run. Go check in this RV park. Okay, that about to take fall damage right there. There's a chest. Okay, that's a pistol. There's a chest in here. Oh yeah, right there. Giving me everything but this goddamn charged shotgun. Nothing up here? Are you actually kidding me? No, get out. Oh my god. Are you serious, bro? I don't want to give up on this match. Okay, no, that was kind of useless. Okay. I don't think there's any more people in Sweaty. I think everyone just left. Oh, there's a light up there. I think there might be a chest. Wait, what is that? Oh, that is that what I think it is? Oh my god, it's a charged shotgun. My god. Yes. Finally. Let's not die. Okay. Let's loot around some more. Because I have a gray charged shotgun right now. And this place is so unlooted right here. I heard people shooting at each other. And there's some builds right there. Okay, you know what? Great. It's not like I wanted to live anyways. Ooh! Jump, 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 jump. Really nothing? Okay, well, this is the only house left. Okay, another charged shotgun. Starting to find more charged shotguns. That's a copter. A helicopter. It's a chopper. Okay, let's book it. Book it, book it. Run, 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 run. Let's run through here. Break, 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 break. But I know what you might be thinking. Why are you breaking the wall? Why didn't you just go around? I'm not trying to die right now, man. Okay. Okay, it's an airdrop and an airdrop. Oh, minis! me this right now. Okay. Any ammo over there? No, that's all gone. Okay, I'm scared now. I'm scared. This guy shooting at me? No. But there is a guy up there. And I don't have an AR. Run. Oh, donuts. Can't break the donuts. Gimme. Really, no shotgun shells. Hopefully that guy didn't see me. Okay, I don't think he did, but he's running down here. Maybe I can get him. Oh, okay, I got him. Oh my god, and he has a scar too. Are you kidding me? No, wrong thing. I really want all this stuff. Ah! Okay. I kind of wasted some of my mats, so let's get this. And then this. Okay, alright. Right now, we just gotta focus on getting to zone. Oh my god, why did I stop W King? I mean, not W King. Why did I... Ah! Why did I stop moving? That's what I meant to say. Okay. Some loot. Why couldn't you just be a blue charged shotgun? Oh my god. Oh, why did I stop moving? Oh, marauders landed here. Wow, right next to each other. Wait, oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, I think this is fire. Yes, fire. Yeah, once I saw that house, I was like, wait, no, these are not marauders. This is a guy catching stuff on fire. And lighting stuff on fire. Catching stuff on fire. Does that make sense? I'm rambling. Whatever. Okay, there's a lot of dead people here. Maybe they have a charged shotgun. A better charged shotgun. Okay, alright. What was... Oh, this is the TV. Oh my god, I heard like a sound. And I was like, wait, what is that? What was that? It was just the TV. Oh my god, there's people over there. Did he see me? Oh my god, hopefully he did not see me. I can't stay still, bro. People have snipers. I'm the only person here doing the charge shotgun challenge. Most likely. Could be another guy doing it, but who knows? Does he see me? Oh, there's a guy over here. He's so clueless. I want to kill him. Wait, did I have no more mats? No! You are fake news. Fake. Alright. Here we go. Again. Alright, we are gonna go and land at Salty Springs. Is this a mistake? That little part is green. This is gray. Whatever. We're gonna land at Salty. I even doing this? The charge shotgun sucks. Okay, which house do I want to go to? Oh, okay. Right, I might have landed a little too late. Oh, no. Okay, we have a perfect drop for blue house. Oh my god, my pickaxe didn't swing and I got scared. It's like, did my mouse already die? Oh my god! Come over here. What the? Why did I miss so much shots? That's embarrassing. Oh, yes. Oh my god. And no. Oh no. I have 1 ammo. Oh my god, he sucked. Literally pickaxed him. Oh my god, that was the scariest moment of my in Fortnite that I've don't want to waste a med kit even though I have 2. I'm just gonna use up these bandies. But oh my god, that was scary. Okay, what else did he have? Stuff that I can't have. Is that all the people in Salty? No way. Salty was a hot drop. The bus literally went right over it. Kind of right over it. Wow. That was all the people in Salty? Unless like one guy just ran and left. Don't know what he was doing, but whatever it was dumb. Wow, there's still a chest here. This game literally hates me. Literally got one of the best guns. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna hold it just to feel happy, and so no one else can use it. Oh, shotgun ammo. Let's go. Anything else over here? AR ammo for my AR that I can't use. Rendering right now, just break the under of the chest. Look at that, XP 566 XP. Oh my god. Woo. Oh. Okay. No ammo box. I cannot take out my scar. But I'm doing good this game. Doing very good at this game. Not sure if they did an update with the charged shotgun and made it better, or if I'm just getting better with the charged shotgun. Okay, no ammo over here. Okay. Oh my god, I don't want that. And I meant to edit. Oh, why didn't I? And it's a default, I see, and I'm being sniped. Oh, over here. Should probably med up. I don't want to shoot him with the AR. I'm gonna wait till he comes over here. If he comes over here. Oh, I fell. Okay. This is why I need a bigger mouse pad. I don't want to change my sensitivity because I have nice aim with the sensitivity. No, I'm done. I don't want to keep on making videos with just 2 games. But oh my god. I am so done with this game. I'm done. I'm done. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so each time I upload, you get to be first. Like, that matters. I'm not famous. But, you know, just to feel a little good about yourself. But, yeah, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And, yeah. See you in the next one. Doses.